Okay guys, let's learn to write numbers. Okay, first 1. How to create. Okay, 1 1 1. This is 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, this is 1. This is 1 1. Okay. Okay, number 2. Okay. 2 2. This is 2. 2. This is 2. 2. This is 2. 2. Okay. Number 3. 3. This is 3. 3. This is 3. 3. This is 3. 3. Now number 4. 4. 4. This is 4. 4. This is 4. 4. This is 4. 4. Now this is 5. 5. 5. 5. This is 5. 5. This is 5. 5. Okay, this is 5. Okay, now number 6. This is 6. That is 6. 6. 6. 6. Okay. This is 6. 6. Okay. You can try it. 6. 6. Next, with yellow pepper. Okay, now number 7. 7. 7, yeah. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 6. 7. 7. 7. Okay. Now with green pepper, number 8. Okay, number 8. 8. 8. 8. This is 8. This is number 8. 8. 8. This is 8. Now on the green color paper, we create 8. 8. This is 8. 8. 8. Okay. Now with pink color paper with number 6. Oh, sorry. With number 9. 9. We can try create number 9. Number 9. 9. 9. This is 9. 9. 9. This is 9. And now we create again number 9. 9. This is 9. Okay. 9. 9. Okay. Now, and the last number is 10. With color paper, color paper, the red color paper. We can try create number 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. This is 10. This is 10. 10. This is 10. Now, and behind with white color, we can try with number 10. Okay, number 10. 10. 10. This is number 10. 10. We can write the word T-E-N. T-E-N. 10. Okay. Now we back with the first number. Okay. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last number is 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, you all can create the number with color paper in your home. Okay, let's do it.